Good day everyone. In this video, we are going to talk about adding like integers. So what is like integers? These are the integers that have like sign. Ibig sabihin, magkakaparehong mga sign, parehong positive at parehong negative. How to add like integers? So first, add the numbers, then we need copy the common sign. So kung magkakaparehong positive yung numbers, i-copy mo lang positive doon sa sagot. Kung pareho namang negative, copy mo lang yung negative sign sa sagot. At para maliwanagan kayo, let's proceed to examples. Example number 1. We have negative 8 plus negative 5. So, ang gagawin natin, unang-una is to add the numbers. So, i-disregard muna natin yung sign. 8 plus 5 will give us 13. Then, yung next na gagawin natin sa number 2, copy the common side. Since yung mga numbers natin ay magkakaparehong negative, so yung sagot natin is negative. So, therefore, negative 8 plus negative 5 will give us negative 13. Example number 2, we have positive 12 plus positive 13. So, yung unang gagawin natin, add the numbers. Positive 12 plus positive 13 will give us positive 25. Then, copy the common sign. Yung common sign natin is positive, kaya yung sagot natin is positive. So, therefore, positive 12 plus positive 13 will give us positive 25. Another example, number 3, negative 2 plus negative 9. First thing to do is to add the numbers. 2 plus 9 will give us 11. Then the next step, copy the common sign. So yung common sign natin is negative, kaya yung sagot natin negative. So therefore, masasabi nating negative 2 plus negative 9 will give us negative 11. Last example, we have example number 4, positive 23 plus positive 36. Add the numbers. Positive 23 plus positive 36 will give us positive 59. Then copy the common sign. Since the two numbers are positive, so therefore, ang sagot natin ay positive. So masasabi natin ngayon na positive 23 plus positive 36 is equal to 59. So hopefully, naintindihan nyo yung explanation ko na sa pag-add ng like integers, ang gagawin lang natin is to add the numbers and copy the common side. So hopefully, naintindihan nyo. Again, I am your teacher Beth.